Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little sneaky video of this project that is currently beside one of the new projects that we're starting. So this is a perfect example of what happens so often in the building industry, and it brings tears to my eyes when you see clients that have ended up in this sort of situation with a project. This job beside us is in massive legal disputes at the moment. The job's actually been going for over 3 years. It's in very poor condition. You look around the job, there is so much dodgy work being done. And that tends to be what happens when people go for the cheapest price and they don't look or have a detailed scope of work. The most important thing you can do when you're considering building or renovating is get the builder involved early. We do the pack process, we get paid as a consultant, we organise, we sort out everything in the early stages before we even go to contract. And our clients know exactly what they're getting. It's very detailed. When you're thinking about building or renovating, the worst thing you can possibly do is just compare pricing. The builders run every builder's got a different building model, a different business model, a different structure, a different setup. They do things different ways, and it doesn't matter how good the plans are, it is near impossible to get apples for apples. And for me, the most important thing when you're building or renovating is about building a relationship with a quality builder that you get on well with, that's open, honest, there's good, clear communication, everyone's on the same page. But most importantly, the most important part at all is your proposal. The builder's proposal that you're receiving needs to detail everything that they're doing. It needs to reference plans, reference other specialists, and make sure that you have a very clear understanding of exactly what you're getting for that price on the bottom of the paper. Because if not, you could end up in a situation like this, and that is not what we want in our industry.